Welcome to Alamash Life. This is Alan. We're going to do sharp turns FSD on version 12.6.4. We're going to see how it compares to version 12.5, which is the last version. So in case you guys didn't watch the last video, the rule is going to be like this. Well, last time we started at Target down the street, we already know the FSD. I verified the FSD works the same way. 12.5, 12.6 in that regard. But on the sharp turns, let's see is there any improvements. Because on 12.5, it did run across the yellow line a little bit. So see is there any improvement in this area right there. Without further ado, I'm going to wear the strap on. Some people, they comment, oh, you have your cell phone, you hold it in your hand while you're driving. Well, I have the strap on, I'm hands-free, so just gotta show you guys. Now, can you back up and drive with FSD? Let's test it out. Go to reverse. Wait a minute or two, let's lock the door. No, so I had to reverse it myself. I gotta check all sides. You have to check all sides. Now, I know the FSD in parking lots, there's still room for improvement, even on 12.6. Perhaps on version 13, which I don't think we're going to get in this vehicle. This is 2012 Model 3. 2022. Correction, 2022. Version 13, correct me if I'm wrong, 2024 and newer Model 3s. Get the version 13 full self driving. Wrong hurry on the full self driving profile. So here we go. Now, I have the software for 2 weeks at the time of this recording, but the weather has been, not too great. Lots of rain. As a matter of fact, I posted the short, if you guys haven't watched it yet, I posted short how this FSD does on heavy rain. I posted another short, how does this car back up in super heavy rain. I'll tell you that part. I will watch it. You see what I mean. So right now we're going on the 15 mile per hour turn. The car is slowing down. Doing 30, 29, 28, 25, 20. Not bad. It slowed down to 17. Turns left. Now we're going straight. Coming up ahead, the fun part. The actual sharp turns. Let's see how 12.6 does better than 12.5. Let's see the difference. Another 15 mile per hour left turn coming right up. We were doing like 42, slowing down. Slowing down. Now I'm gonna keep my hand like this just in case I gotta take over. We slowed down to 19, not too shabby. We're doing 23, 24 here. I put the map on this format so you can see what's going on with the maps. There's a hairpin. Let's see how she does. Much better. Much better. It did not cross into the yellow line. It stayed in lane, hands free, as you can see. Perfection. Since it passed this test, we're going to see going back up the hill. How does she perform? Stay tuned. We're about to enter this final destination. Then we're going to head back up the hill. We're going to head back that way. So let me get off the FSD real quick and trip. Navigate to Lake Mission Viejo. Back on FSD, just to make sure we're on hurry up. Hurry. Let's see how it does on this sharp right turn here. It's very hard to see on the right side, but straight ahead you can see that's too easy. Very good. Just to make sure, hurry. First turn coming up. The only hairpin turn. That is the tricky part of doing 17 on the turn. Good. That was the hardest part of the test, believe it or not. Up until we get to the next sharp turn to the right. Oh, nope. If you notice just a little bit, it did drive a little bit on the yellow line, almost ran into the squirrel. I think it's past. Now we're accelerating. This is a 40 zone, we're doing 45, that's fine. Sharp turn to the right, coming right up. Perfect. So the only mistake it did going up the hill, this car did go to the yellow line in one section. But it was better than the version 12.5 going down the hill. Up the hill 12.5, honestly, I didn't test that because, you know, I was going somewhere. But today is a Sunday, beautiful day. 12.6, it passed going down the hill. So let's see what it does up the hill. Way better than the last test, let me tell you. This is Alan for Alamash Live. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It costs nothing. All you have to do is click subscribe, hit the bell icon. You'll see any future update notifications. This is Alan for Alamash Live. Peace.